What's up, Moose Crew? We're back again with another Moose Munchies recipe, and today we're doing campfire skewers. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna get all of your vegetables. So I used onion, bell pepper, Brussel sprouts, and steak for mine, and then I used tofu for my wife. And remember, cross-contamination's a thing, so do the vegetable one first, and then do the meat one last if you're using the same cutting board. So then you're gonna chop up all your veggies and your tofu and your meat, and then you're gonna skewer them all together. And the way that I transported them to our campsite was that I double bagged them into a full gallon Ziploc bag. Since the skewers were really sharp, I was worrying about them poking through the first Ziploc bag. So I did a second one just as an extra safety measure so I didn't just have meat juice rolling around in my cooler. And then once we finished our hikes for the day, I just made a little campfire and burnt the wood down to some coals. I brought a little bit of charcoal with me to help out. And then I have this little mini grill grate and threw that over the hot coals and then just started cooking the skewers. You just want to cook it until the vegetables are just a little more tender, your meat's cooked through to your liking, or for the tofu, it's just until they get a little more brown. And then you end up pulling it off into a bowl. You could also eat it off the stick if you want. And it's also great because you can pick and choose what you want as your side. So I think a baked potato would go really good with this, but I personally am doing corn on the cob because I'm a good old Midwestern girl. And so then here's what mine looks like. I had tossed the steak and some salt and pepper before I threw it into the Ziploc bag and assembled it. But you can also add in just a little bit of seasonings after. But here I go for my first bite. That's really good. Yeah, that's a solid 10 out of 10 Moose Munchies recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you like and subscribe down below so you can catch the next Moose Munchies recipe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks. Country girls make do.